Howdy y'all. So in this video, the joys of owning dump trailers, I'm going to show you how to plug a tire, because we sure do have a lot of fun getting a dump trailer. I don't think I brought my compressor, which is unfortunate, but for now I'm just going to get this bad boy plugged. You can clearly see there we got a screw. Got this little guy already teed up. I thought I had a hole in my last one, but it ended up not being an actual puncture. I'm scared this thing might fall down and crush me and kill me. That'd be bad. So for now, we're just gonna put it right there and cross our fingers. Huh. We might have got lucky. That's a little guy. Let's put that in there. I am gonna get some water. I finally got a break, eh? The junk gods are looking down upon the junk duck. Alright, let's see here. Pour a little water on it. I don't think that actually punctured. That's fantastic. Finally get a deal. That's 2 in a row. No bubbles. I think we're good to go. Sweet. All right, well, that's one for me. All right, on the next episode of Junk Duck, we'll teach you how to plug a tire.
A few moments later.
Welcome back to the next episode of Junk Duck. As you can tell, my attire did not change. The only thing that changed was a tire. Ha ha ha, dad joke. Hopefully some of y'all got it. Alrighty, so here we go. Tire, baya, right there. Let's go. Same thing. I'm probably not gonna be able to pull this bad boy out, so I might just stab it in. But we are gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, baby. I like to be proactive and get to it before it turns into a problem, even though it's already a problem. And you don't want no problems. Little scrappy. You don't want a problem. Hey! Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You hear it. You hear it, folks. Ugh, we gotta bore the hole. Bore the hole. Great news is this is not easy. I don't think you're supposed to twist it, but I can't get it in. Ugh. Ugh. Not sure what angle. My God. Well, there we go. Yeah, baby. Now we're gonna bore the hole. Get ready for the plug. Might be good enough. Woo! That's like air conditioning right there, boy. And ladies and gentlemen. All right, now we're gonna get it mostly in. Whew. Sometimes I go all the way in. Sometimes I just dig in just the head. Kind of just depends. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I think I'm gonna leave it right about there. And that's how you change a tire. Are you not entertained? Interchange tire, a tire, change a tire, flat tire. Junk Duck next episode. Bloop, bloop. Oh my God. There's another one. I think I'm just gonna let this one ride. Actually, if I take that one, I might as well just take this one to the shop, get replaced. Let's do the water test. Oh no, I don't know if I'm gonna take out that other one. I can't find my water jug. We're gonna skip the test. I think we're just gonna let it chill for now. I need to back the trailer up probably a quarter so I can get more leverage. Right about there would be fantastic. I don't know if it's worth me plugging. I guess it is. I guess it is. All right, folks, I'm gonna do it. Why not? Got a little time today. Got a little time. Put down your drinks. Don't put down your drinks. Give me a break. I'm gonna pause it, rotate the tire, get it set up, do it again. Let's go. Junk duck. We don't duck around. Complete. Gonna grab us a plug. We're gonna do it all over again. Oh, I like the color of your car. That's a nice color. Alrighty. So, I already had this one teed up in the last video, but this video, I'm gonna show you how we do it. Stick it in here. Everyone should have a tire plug kit. They sell the cheap plastic ones. This one's metal. Highly recommend going with the metal. Spend a couple extra bucks. I've bent and broke a lot of those plastic ones. Even this one's a little bent. Still with a monster tire. All right, let's see if we can do this, baby. Usually you have a little rubber cement you put on here, but I don't got it. So we're gonna go straight stick. All right. Oh, this one's gonna be fun. This is attached to the trailer, so it doesn't give me much room to work with. I don't know, folks, if we're gonna be able to get it. Oh! I don't think it punctured. Now we're definitely doing the water test. Hey, how you doing? I don't know who that guy is, but we're doing all right. Oh, yo, today's like the luckiest tire day ever. Mark it down, folks, whatever today is on Junk Duck history. No air bubbles. That's fantastic. Since we're here, let's give it a little splasharoo. Oh, see, no. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And you see, this is why it's teed up for the next go around. That's my tire kit, repair kit. This is my water jug. This is my bag. I got this from a job. It's amazing. Amelia Earnhardt. I mean, I know she was a pilot. I didn't know she made bags. It might be old. That's probably old school. I mean, it's pretty old. That ain't like no regular IKEA bags they're making today. All right. Today was a victory on plugging tires. Folks, if you have any questions, raise your hand. I'll call on you. Other than that, I'm gonna get this trailer dumped. And I got one more trailer over there, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna get some yard waste I'm gonna grab. So we'll pair those up. Man, I'm getting lots of grays. The joys of being a business owner. All right, folks, that might be all for today. Thanks for stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. Thanks for staying tuned while tuned in. I'm out, and I appreciate the love and support. And